Konnichiwa! Today we are going to Teamlab Borderless, located in Minato City, Japan. Digital art museum ito mga moms. And I'm sure kung with kids kayo, may enjoy nila ito. We got our tickets via Klook and I recommend to buy tickets in advance kasi nasa-sold out agad sila. And make sure nalibutin kasi it looks small in the inside but sobrang lawak pala niya. Teamlab was amazing and we absolutely love it. I suggest you visit Teamlab during weekdays para hindi masyadong maraming tao. Tsaka para na-enjoy nyo yung moment nyo, mag-picture and mag-videos. Upo muna, pagod na kami, and pagod na ang mother ko. Next stop, Ichiran Ramen! Itadakimasu!
Wow!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Kaiji Limited Express bound for Corfu, combined with the Fuji Excursion Limited Express bound for Kawaguchiko. We will be stopping at Ichikawa, Hachioji, and Otsu.
How much? Or
600
600 and
1,100
okay. Isa pang 1,000. 1,000. Ano? Sarap?
Lahat makamis na kasi dito sa Japan. Marami kasi dito.
Fry noodle with egg.
And then we went to Oishi Park for a much better view of the mountain. We were so lucky that day because we were able to see Mount Fuji, ang clear ng sky, because they were saying na pag nakita mo siya, it's a sign of good fortune and luck. So, I guess we were lucky that day. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye-bye!